Hello, friends. Hello. Welcome back. Let's do a little bit of chanting and laughter. And this one is called Ho Ho Ha Ha Ha, chanting a dynamic mindfulness meditation, meaning we're not sitting still while we're meditating, but it is a dynamic meditation where we are mindful of our breath and our movement. And so it goes like this: Ho Ho Ha Ha Ha, Ho Ho Ha Ha Ha. Basically, the Ho Ho is to help ground us and connect us with the earth. So we are feeling the earth, the vibrations, the energies from the earth, and us being connected to this planet and to nature. And the ha ha is to open up our hearts, and so that we realize we can practice some gratitude, laughter, or chanting towards the things that bring us joy. So it's mindful, purposeful chanting and doing the sounds of ho and ha and engaging that diaphragm so that we're not just going ho, ho, ha, ha, which is nothing for us. We go ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Feel that right here. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. So you're breathing in deeply. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Okay? Get that diaphragm moving up and down, okay? That you can feel that muscle working in and out, okay? So up and down, in and out. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. All right. So ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 This is a dynamic meditation. You can do this walking around. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Or you can do it connecting with others. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. If someone else is in the room with you. Okay? Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. You can do it symbolically towards the screen, towards someone else like myself, or imagine someone that you love that you want to send some good vibes out to. You go ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. You can do this in the garden as you're going for a walk. You can do it around your house, wherever you are, in the kitchen. You can do it with your family members, or if you are alone, you can just do it by yourself to help ground you. And you can focus on the little things in the room that give you pleasure. Gratitude once again. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Now, if you are in a larger group, if there are a few of you in your family, you can do this all freestyle in the room, doing ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. You can do it to any kind of music. And if you are more than one person, you can gather and you can do it together. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. If you're 3 or 4 in a circle, you can be stationary. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha to your sides. So it's a circle of people gathering their hands together. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. So what this does, it gets you moving, okay? It gets you breathing. Gets you laughing and interacting a little bit. So just give me a little bit of laughter to end this session with. Ho, ho, ha, ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, ho, cha, 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 ho, ho, cha, 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 ho, cha-cha-cha, ho, ho, cha-cha-cha. Thank you for having tried this with me. It's good to uplift your spirits, to get you energized in between everything else that you're doing. So keep up the laughter. Good job.